Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a quick little how I keep up my red hair. So if you guys have asked for this, I'm sorry it took so long, but here it is. So I do several different types of coloring when I do it. I go back and forth between using Manic Panic Pillar Box Red, and I love that one. It's one of my favorites. I use Punky Color. I like Poppy Red, as well as I like Splat. I like Luscious Raspberries, as well as Crimson. Those are all really good. I think it was Crimson Obsession. I go back and forth between all of them. I pretty much go to, if I'm feeling more pink, then I'll go for the Luscious Raspberries, and more of like a True Red, Manic Panic, Poppy Red, the Punky Color Poppy Red, Manic Panic, Pillar Box Red. The Crimson is more of an orange undertone red, so it really depends on which kind of undertone I'm going for at the time. Now I do have a mix of the Punky Color Poppy Red as well as the Luscious Raspberries and Splat. I go back and forth. Right now I wanted more of a kind of a reddy orange and also a pinky red in there. The next one I'll do, I think I'm going to bring out more of the orangeness to it, so I'm going to do something different for that one. But as you guys know, having red hair is a lot of upkeep. Be prepared to not really wash your hair all that much, because if not, it's going to constantly come out. It literally looks like I murdered somebody every time I take a shower and wash my hair. I try to wash my hair as minimal as possible. I take a shower every day, but I try not to wash my hair all that much. I actually just got out of the shower just a little bit ago, and my hair is actually still wet. That's why I kind of got it up in this sloppy bun. But I'm going to style it and all that, do it for as many days as I can, dry shampoo, and then I will wash it. So do be prepared that it's a lot of upkeep. You'll have to do your roots a lot, especially if you are an avid makeup wearer and you tend to wash your face a lot. All around this area of your face line, it's going to come off really, really fast. Also, my hair has been growing like crazy, which is great, so I have to do my roots a lot. The main base color of like my length stays a lot. It's just more the top that hits the sun root area. That's where I have to touch up the most. Personally love having red hair. It's actually I think my favorite hair color. It's why I've kept it for so long. I really, really like it. If you guys don't know, I know a lot of people ask. I use the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade in the color Scarlet. I absolutely love this. I know there's a bunch of things on Kat Von D and whatnot. I'm staying away from that. I just really like this brow product. It matches red hair perfectly. It lasts super, super long. Highly recommend. It's what I use on my brows all the time. I didn't dye my eyebrows. They're still like a lightish brown. I just put this over it. It's really opaque color. Highly recommend. If you want to go for that look like I do, then this is what I use. All in all, I do love having red hair. Just be prepared that you can't wash it as much. A dry shampoo would be one of your best friends. I recommend Batiste. I still get a little bit of a white cast, but I can just, you know, kind of mush up my hair like you're supposed to anyway, or brush it, and it goes right out. I really, really love Batiste. It works really well. I recommend definitely having some dry shampoo. You know, style it when you wash it. Style it so you can kind of keep doing different things with it for a few days. Dry shampoo, do cute things with it. Have a few days of it being an updo and all that. But I really love having red hair, and I think red hair looks really pretty. Just note that you have to update it constantly. It is an expensive hair to have, especially if you want it to stay vibrant and fresh. You will constantly have to refresh it. So I recommend, like, see, I'm not a professional, but I do my own hair myself, because if not, I feel like that'd be really expensive to keep on having to go to the salon. Maybe if you do it initially, and then afterwards try to color match it to a red, and then you can just kind of keep going. I mean, of course, always get professional advice, because I am not a professional. There is my disclaimer. But, yeah, because if not, it's gonna cost you thousands of dollars to keep that up a year. But, it is expensive to keep up. I do it myself. I haven't had any problems. And yeah, like I said, I like to go based on, do I want more of a pinky red, a red red, or an orangey red? I kind of go based on that for which hair colors that I do. But yeah, I hope this answers any questions. If you guys have any more, please let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.